Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to buy player packages. To buy player packages, you need Ultimate Team points or FC points. Ultimate Team points can be obtained by finishing objectives and winning matches. FC points can be obtained only by spending real world money. To buy packages, let's go to Store in Ultimate Team mode and find Browse. Here you can find classic packs. You can find Premium Bronze pack, Premium Gold Preview pack, Premium Gold pack and Premium Silver pack. As you can see, gold packs cost 7,500 Ultimate Team points or 150 FC points. To find FC points, go to FC, and here you can buy FC points for approximately $1 for 100 points. Of course, the more points you buy, the less money overall you spend. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.